Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust shaped horizontal and vertical alignment on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and this select option, select here, select annotation and select your shape. And I'll fix these two shapes. This is vertical alignment, this is, and also I'll align this to vertically. Select right button and align, and this is vertically align, fixes. And also I'll fix these two text boxes, horizontal alignment, and this is horizontal, and this horizontal alignment also fixes. And this one I'll adjust this horizontal alignment and see this. Also I'll make this to same size and adjust these two also. I'll make same size and align. See this. In this way we can fix your shape alignment and size also you can fix. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.